Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Class 1 Hindi Poem 17 Hawa. Hawa means wind or air. So in this poem there is conversation between the little girl Munni and the blowing air, the blowing wind. The poet is Shivcharan Sarohaji. He has written the conversation between the small girl Munni playfully explain and speak with the blowing wind. She is communicating with the wind as though it is highlighted here in this poem by the poet Shivcharan Sarohaji. ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं हवा चली साई साई. ऊपर नीचे means ऊपर means up, नीचे means down. So up and down. दाएं बाएं, right and left. दाएं means right, बाएं means left. Up and down, right and left. हवा चली साई साई. साई साई. हवा चली. हवा means wind or the air. Chali means blew. It blow. The wind blow. Sain sain means swish swish. Whoosh whoosh. When it is wind is very fast, the air is very fast, we will hear the sound swish swish, whoosh whoosh. ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं हवा चली साई साई. So up and down, right and left, the wind blew, swish swish, whoosh whoosh. मुन्नी को छोड़कर चढ़ गई पेड़ पर. The small girl Munni says the wind left her and climbed the tree. मुन्नी को छोड़कर, leaving Munni. छोड़ना is to leave. Leaving whom? Munni, without taking Munni along with it. The wind blew only by itself and it climbed the tree. So only wind climbed the tree. It did not take Munni with it. That is what the Munni is saying to the wind. You have left me and you have climbed along the tree. She is teasing the wind. Munni is teasing the wind. मुन्नी को छोड़कर चढ़ गई पेड़ पर. हाथ नहीं आऊंगी, दूर मैं उड़ जाऊंगी. हाथ नहीं आऊंगी, दूर मैं उड़ जाऊंगी. हाथ means hand. दूर means far away. Would means to fly. So the wind says, I will not come to your hand, Munni. I will fly far away. So when Munni says you left me and climbed up the tree, the wind is saying to Munni, I will not come to your hand. You cannot catch me. I will fly far away. So you will not be able to catch me. The wind says to Munni as though the wind is saying to Munni, it is personified. It is just shown here by the poet. मुन्नी बोली हंसकर, हवा रानी बसकर. So Munni got angry when wind said, I will not come to your hand, you cannot catch me. Munni is a small girl. So any small girl, when you say you cannot do it, they will get angry because they are the child. Here Munni is the child, she gets angry. She says, हाथ नहीं आऊंगी दूर मैं उड़ जाऊंगी. Like that the wind is saying to Munni, it is saying you cannot catch me, I'll not come to your hand, I'll fly far away from you. You cannot fly, so you cannot come and catch me. The wind is saying to Munni. Munni boli हंसकर हवा रानी बसकर. So Munni says by hasna is to smile, laugh. Boli means to say. So Munni boli haskar means Munni smiled and said. Hawa Rani Baskar. Hawa, she is saying it as a queen. Rani means queen. Munni is stating wind as the queen. Hey wind, you are the queen. You now stop now. You just don't be very pride. You can do anything. Wait, you flew away, no? What I will do, you see. Don't think too much of yourself. Munni is saying to the wind. Munni boli haskar, hawa rani baskar. Munni smiled and said, oh queen, wind, you stop now. Don't think too much of yourself. I will catch you. You wait and see. पकड़ तुझे मैं लाऊंगी, फुग्गे में ले जाऊंगी. Wait, I will पकड़ तुझे मैं लाऊंगी. I will definitely catch you and bring you back. मैं लाऊंगी means I will bring you. पकड़ तुझे, पकड़ means to catch. तुझे means you. I will catch you and bring you back. फुग्गे में, फुग्गे में ले जाऊंगी. फुग्गे means balloon. ले जाऊंगी means I will take you. So I will put you in the balloon and I will take you. Don't be very pride that I cannot catch you and you flew away. Don't think that way. So Munni playfully talks back to the wind, challenging it. I will catch you. That is the child's innocent in an imaginary ground the poet has highlighted in this poem. So the poem describes the playful, mischievous nature of the wind blowing all around and conversation with the small girl Munni. So again we will see open the niche daye baye hawa chali sai sai. Up and down, right and left, the wind made the swishing sound and it was going and blowing everywhere. Munni को छोड़कर चढ़ गई पेड़ पर. So it left Munni and it climbed the tree. The wind did not take Munni with it. हाथ नहीं आऊंगी दूर मैं उड़ जाऊंगी. The wind says to the child, I will not come to your hand. I will fly very far from you. You cannot fly and catch me. The wind is teasing Munni. So it is making very loud sound. Playfully rustles through the trees. Ped means trees. So playfully the wind rustles through the trees. Munni boli haskar hawa rani baskar. Munni says to the wind, don't boast, don't be proud. So Munni says, wind, you just keep quiet. Don't be very proud of yourself. I will definitely catch you one day. पकड़ तुझे मैं लाऊंगी, फुग्गे में ले जाऊंगी. So पकड़ तुझे मैं लाऊंगी. I will catch you in a balloon. I will definitely catch you and put you in a balloon and I will take it with me. I'll take you along with me. I'll definitely catch you in a balloon and take you along with me in the balloon. That is what Munni is playfully conversing with the wind. So this is the poem Hawa Class 1 Hindi CBSE. For other lessons Class 1 CBSE, you go through my YouTube playlist. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. Thank you.